Hello everyone, today's I am discuss Top 5 Alexa Development Frameworks. Alexa skill creation for Amazon Echoes and other Alexa-enabled devices has become a subject of discussion for a growing number of businesses. As Amazon Alexa use continues to grow at a breakneck pace, there remains a gap between qualified developers and demand for Alexa skills. Amazon is attempting to remedy this hole by showcasing organizations that specialize in Alexa skill creation and Alexa development framework choices that make skill building simpler. Following the 5 Alexa development frameworks. 1. SDK for Alexa Skills Kit. Amazon's primary tool for enticing developers is the Alexa Skills Kit SDK, software development kit, for Node.js. This kit utilizes JavaScript to integrate your Alexa skill with AWS Lambda. This kit will assist you in developing replies to Alexa's inquiries. Amazon established the Alexa Skills Kit SDK with the intention of individuals solely relying on AWS to construct skills. 2. Alexa App. This framework is not linked with Amazon, but it is gaining traction and currently includes numerous contributors. Matt Cruz has also designed a testing tool called Alexa App Server that allows you to quickly test your Alexa skills in a web browser. The Alexa Skills Kit SDK and Alexa App are the two most frequently used Alexa programming frameworks and, in my view, should serve as the entry point for developers new to Amazon Alexa development. 3. Customized instruments. Bespoken Tools has just begun marketing its Alexa skill building tools. Their tools are command-line, terminal-based and enable developers to work in various programming languages, Java, Python, or JavaScript. While the majority of other frameworks support just one, typically JavaScript. Additionally, they provide a development environment and deployment tools. 4. PullString. PullString is another Alexa development framework with a more extensive toolset. This seems to be an excellent option for developers looking to create a conversational application that runs on different platforms. PullString can assist with the development of applications for Messenger, Skype, Slack, and potentially more. If you want to make your skill or conversational application cross-platform, PullString is a must-check. 5. Conversible. Conversible is listed on Amazon's Agencies and Frameworks website as a framework for building Alexa skills, however, it does not seem to be as open as some of the other Alexa development frameworks. They have an attractive website, but without open documentation, it's impossible to determine the use of their products. This is another option worth considering if you're developing a cross-platform application, but you'll probably need to speak with their sales staff first. More details click on the below link and like, share and subscribe to the video. Thank you.